this is so, I can't get enough of it. Babo Kabalen, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Wearing Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Wearing Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Angeles Citea Cafe for being generous with us and allowing us to taste grabes. They have sent us so many cups for us to try this afternoon. So I want to introduce yung mga products na pinadala nila sa amin for today. I think they have, if I'm not mistaken, they have 4 or 5 categories sa mga drinks nila. No? So starting off from the classic milk teas. Ano yung mga nakasanayan natin na mga flavors ng mga milk teas. They also have fresh lemonade refreshments, which I am really interested of tasting them because I really like lemon. And then in our middle right here, so meron po tayong mga frap. So they have their classic one and then they also have their premium fraps. This is a Mango Graham Premium Frap, which I'm gonna try on later on. And yeah, so I guess let's try. I think I'm gonna try with this strawberry lava latte. They have another cup here for the lava latte. This is a matcha flavor naman. Wow! Oh wow! This is so milky and at the same time so fruity for the strawberry, no? Wow! Grabe, I can finish this. Ito pa lang guys, I'm really satisfied. I think this is new in their menu, no? I haven't seen this dun sa mga post nila sa Facebook fan page wall nila. But this is their strawberry lava latte. Oh man, this is so... I can't get enough of it. Yeah, I want to proceed with the other drinks natin for today. I want to try itong kanilang Mango Graham. From the look of it guys, this is so oozing. Let's try it. Oh wow. Oh wow. Coming from a strawberry flavored drink earlier, Mango Graham Frap. Comparing it with the previous one is really creamy. Now this one, I think parang medyo cakey. I think that's the word. It's a little bit cakey, a little bit of bitter aftertaste. Oh wow! Wow! I gotta shake this up para magkaroon tayo ng good mix of the entire ingredients ng Mango Graham Frap natin. Wow! Wow! Oh, I like it. I like it. Okay, I wanna try next yung kanilang Red Velvet Frappe. Here we go. We all know that ang red velvet sa mga cakes. Ito yung mga inspiration nila is yung mga desserts or yung mga cakes na popular. Oh wow. Red Velvet Frappe. What I like about it is this one creamier than the Mango Graham. This one is a classic frap naman. So this is a matcha flavor. Okay, let's give it a good stir before we taste it. Alright, let's taste it. Wow! Grabe! Para sa akin, medyo nakuha niya yung ratio ng matcha versus yung mga ibang ingredients. So I think that's what made me, appreciate it very much. So yeah, I like it. I like it. So that was just 4. I still have a lot to try on. Grabe. I wanna taste yung kanilang mga classic milk tea. Now, let's go for some mga hindi ko masyadong natitikman, no? So this is Hokkaido. This is another one is an Okinawa. We also have a red velvet milk tea. Since natikman na natin red velvet kanina, I'm gonna pass that one. This is a taro. This is a cookies and cream, a matcha, a chocolate, and we have a winter melon. Okay, I think I'm gonna try yung kanilang taro. So for this one, I'm gonna give a good shake. And also gonna try the cookies and cream because again guys, I'm the Mr. Cookies and Cream. For the very first time na nauso yung mga drinks na mga ganito, like mga, I don't know, mga shakes, mga ganyan, cookies and cream has always been one of my, top flavors that I always order. So having it on a milk tea. Good, always good. Oh wow. Oh wow. Alright. So, like I said, no, yung mga milk tea, classic milk teas nila is surprisingly a little bit more gentle if you're going to drink naman yung kanilang mga premium fraps and mga lava. I think medyo nabigla ako dun sa mga unang taste natin because they are really premium. Okay, I wanna move on sa kanilang mga fresh lemonade series. So again, like I mentioned in the beginning, for the lemonade, we have orange, ginger lemon, cucumber apple, lychee, strawberry, passion fruit, blueberry. Okay, I think I'm gonna go for, I haven't tasted this from a while now. Oh, wow. It has a very native taste, very earthy because of the ginger. But then again, it is surprisingly refreshing. Okay, I wanna try next is yung kanilang cucumber apple. This one. Let's give it a quick shake. This is the cucumber apple. Let's taste it. Yung cucumber apple natin has a step down burst comparing it with the ginger lemon. This is gonna wake you up, guys, yung ginger lemon natin. For the last cup that I'm gonna try is yung kanilang passion fruit. Yeah. Oh man, there's a sense of parang they're gonna wake you up. I guess isa yung lemonade, of course. I think they have something they put in that it will really wake you up. Okay, so guys, if you're interested to know more about their products, make sure to check out their fan page. They are located po sa Hensonville. They also have another branch in Santa Teresita, Angeles City. For a less hassle, worry-free na order, make sure to check out their fan page, or you can order po dun sa mga partner delivery apps nila. Alright, so there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching Where in Pampanga. The only thing that we need to maintain is to be a positive person, or positive in life. I really like their tagline. Sabi niya, life is full of positivity. Until our next video, guys, stay safe. Bye bye.